Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this radical equation. Now, to solve this problem, for convenience, let us label the square roots. Let this be a, this b, this c, and this d. Now, we can write the original equation as a minus b is equal to c minus d. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will multiply both sides of this equation by 1. So we have a minus b times 1 and c minus d times 1. Now, on the left-hand side of this equation, we can write a minus b times a plus b divided by a plus b. Of course, you know that a plus b over a plus b is equal to 1. Now, notice that a minus b and a plus b are conjugates. Now, on the right-hand side of the equation, we have c minus d times c plus d divided by c plus d. Once more, c plus d over c plus d is equal to 1, and c minus d and c plus d are conjugates. Now, when we simplify the left-hand side, a minus b times a plus b is going to give us the difference of two squares. So we have a squared minus b squared. Of course, 1 times a plus b is going to give us a plus b. Once more, when we multiply these two conjugates, we get the difference of two squares. So we have c squared minus d squared. 1 times c plus d is c plus d. Now let us go back to the original equation. Of course, you know that a squared is going to be 7x minus 4, and b squared is going to be 7x minus 5. Now, a squared minus b squared is 7x minus 7x, which of course is equal to 0. Then minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 1. So here we have 1 over a plus b. Now, on the right-hand side, c squared is 4x minus 1, while d squared is 4x minus 2. c squared minus d squared is equal to 4x minus 4x, that is 0. Then we have minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to plus 1. So here we have 1 over c plus d. Now, when we cross multiply, we have that a plus b is equal to c plus d. But now, from the original equation, we have that a minus b is equal to c minus d. Now, let us add these two equations. A plus a is 2a. b minus b is equal to 0. c plus c is 2c. d minus d is equal to 0. So from here, we have that 2a is equal to 2c. Now, when we divide through this equation by 2, we have that a is equal to c. Now we go back to the original equation once more. This means that root 7x minus 4 is equal to root 4x minus 1. Now, when we square both sides of this equation, we have that 7x minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 1. Rearranging this equation, we have that 7x, this comes over to the left, minus 4 x is equal to minus 1. This goes over to the right plus 4. 7x minus 4x is 3x. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Dividing both sides of this equation by 3, we have that x is equal to 3 over 3. That is 1. So the only value of x that satisfies this equation is x equal to 1. Now to check our answer, let us substitute 1 for x into the original equation. We have root 7 minus 4 minus root 7 minus 5. Now, is this equal to root 4 minus 1 minus root 4 minus 2? 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And of course, root 3 minus root 2 is equal to root 3 minus root 2. So x equal to 1 satisfies the given equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.